folks. It's March 3rd, I believe. So I'm out here running electronics today, trying to redeem myself for the other day of not seeing anything. So we'll try to run and see if we can run these electronics so you can see them. So you have, I don't know why it's picking up flashing, but right here's the bottom. So anything that's flashing after the bottom, which would be right in this area right here, is all fish. I just threw a worm down there and it was just a little tiny perch. But I'm going to sit here for a little bit and see if we can't pull some bigger ones out, maybe some whites. And there's definitely some nice white perch in this little area I'm fishing in. So we'll see what happens. I'm just recording on my phone, so I can't like hold my phone and fish at the same time. So it's kind of going to be a split up video. Thanks. So I just want to show you people this, if you can see it, the electronics. My hole is just blown up. I have fish from foot under the ice to 24 feet, and it's just piles of them. But they're all just small. I'm going to hit a couple small ones and then I'm going to move on. See if I can't find some bigger ones. Hi everybody, just wanted to let you know that I'm back from fishing. I got 9 yellow perch. It wasn't about filling buckets today. I tried some new waters. I probably drilled at least 50 to 60 holes. I found 3 holes that had a lot of fish in them, but I was just trying to get a meal together, so here's what I caught. So this is my workstation I have in the barn. It's a table, fish cleaning table. You can get them anywhere. Probably Walmart even sells them. Bass Pro, Cabela's, any place like that will sell these. It's great outside in the summertime where I can hook water to this and it just continuous feeds cold water into my filleting bowl. But here are the 9 yellow perch. I got a pair of scissors. I'm going to show you something. My work gloves, fillet knife, electric, and a fillet knife hand. You want to see my filleting video of how to fillet all these panfish out, just scroll down on my page and you'll eventually find it. So what I always do when I catch a fish that I'm going to keep for the freezer, I always dispatch it immediately. And basically what I'm doing with those pair of scissors right there, I take it and I cut right there in the neck, and that's actually an artery that's connected right to the heart. So it pumps everything out so your meat is clean. The more blood you can get out of your meat, the cleaner your fish are going to be tasting, as in not so fishy tasting. The more blood you leave in the fillets, the more flavor you're going to have of fish. And then another trick we found out trying to figure out this whole worm thing is a lot of these warm water fish are right full of worms. Your perch, your crappie, white perch, your bass, whatever it is. So what I found out to work for us is these worms are still alive in these fish and they absolutely hate cold. So what I do is I fillet these fish out and then I put them in this ice cold water and I put them in the fridge for at least 12 hours. I'm going to say more on the lines around 20 hours. I'll deal with them tomorrow at some point. And what I found that happens is all these, I'm going to say at least 90% of the worms leave the fillets and they're in the bottom of this water at the end of it. I might have to pick out, I have 9 fish here, I might have to pick out 1 or 2 worms, if that. So all the people that say, oh, I can't eat them because they're worms, give this a shot. You can even put ice in your dish and they'll migrate out of the fillets a lot quicker. But that's our trick that we've learned. And now I got to get to work filleting these out. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.